Okay, what is up, guys? We are going to be doing a not a live stream, but sort of the same thing, except it's not going to be live. I may premiere it. I'm not sure. I've never done that. I don't know how it works, but if I can manage it, I may be able to do this. So you may be seeing this live recording, but this is not a live video. But I'm most likely just gonna post it on my channel. But yeah, so we're gonna be doing some 3x3 times right now. So yeah. So I have a picture down here of my of this, and I have the scrambles up here. So and you can follow along too if you want. Okay. $27. That's actually pretty good. Okay, that's actually really bad. So yeah. Okay, so if you know how to solve a Rubik's Cube and you're like, if you do this, if you solve Rubik's Cubes, or if you're just a person just watching this because you think solving Rubik's Cubes is fast and stuff, then thank you for watching this. It really supports me. And a lot of YouTubers would just say, please subscribe to my channel and drop a like, but like, I don't want to force it on you guys, so I'm not going to do that to you. So just subscribe and drop a like if you want to. I really don't care. But yeah. So 39, that is the worst solve we've gotten so far. I average around 20 to 30 seconds.
Eight seconds.
I can already tell that this is probably going to go over 40 seconds, which if it does, I haven't gotten that in 3 months. Oh no. It's super bad. Super bad. Ugh, who cares? Let's keep on going. Hey, 25. Let's go. That's nice. We'll be switching to 2x2 after 2 more solves after this. Wait, no. Let's not switch to 2x2 because I am horrible at 2x2. And I don't want to embarrass myself in front of everyone. Oh no, I messed up on the cross. Hey, 26. 2027. I'm just gonna pause the video for a second. I'll see you in a second. Alright guys, sorry for the pause. That was like a 10-minute, 15-minute pause or something. But I also want to say, please subscribe to my TikTok. It is Rubik's Cube, Rubik's Cube 90. Rubik's Cube 90. Yeah, all one word, no uppercase. Rubik's Cube 90, smooshed together. So yeah, that's my TikTok. But yeah, so let's do some more solves. So yeah, okay. Ah. Ooh.
8 seconds.
I am not good at color neutral, but I did it anyway. So if I get under 30 seconds with this, I will, I don't know, give away a Prodigy account. I don't know. Something like that. Okay? Something like that. I know you guys want it. I'm trying. No. Alright. Wait. Under 40 seconds, okay? If I do it under 40 seconds, I'll do something, okay? Something. Alright, guys. There you have it. I'll do something. I'll think of something to do. I don't want you guys commenting down below what I should do. I'll figure it out on my own, okay? I will find something, and I will do the something, okay? That's what I'll do. You hear me? I'll do it, okay? I'll do it. But I don't know what to do.
Eight seconds.
What? Huh? Oh, okay, there it is. I was like, wait a minute. Where is it? Guys, I may release some new merch again. I know it's been like many months, but I may release some new merch, so be on the lookout for that. If I do, I will link it down in the description somewhere, okay? You know, I think I actually will. I think I'll design some new merch. Yeah, not merch. 45? Are you kidding me? Yeah, I'm going to make some merch after this, I believe. But I may. Wait, that should be my thing that I did since I got that solve under 40 seconds. I'll make some merch. That's gonna be my thing. So that's what we'll do. I'll do that. And if you have a problem with it, then I am sorry about that. I did not mean to hurt you.
8 seconds.
Wait a minute. This solve is going wrong. I hate the earth. I hate the earth.
You hate the earth?
I hate myself right now. Alright guys, I think it's gonna end it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.